Hello, I'm Ashlee Norman, hairstylist, independent educator, and last but not least, K18 Global Ambassador. Today we're here with my client.
Hi, I'm Ravyn Monet.
All right, Ravyn, what brings you in today?
So I came in today because I really do need a cut, but I don't really want too much of one. I also have some brassiness in my hair, but I really don't want another color treatment. I need something that's going to really soften everything up, help me feel fresh.
Awesome. So our main appointment today is going to be for the haircut. However, we are going to do something to improve the tonality of your hair. I'm excited to introduce you to a brand new product. It is the TripleBright Purple Shampoo by K18. Basically, what this product does is three things: remove, neutralize, and defend. First of all, it's gonna remove the metals and minerals in your hair that cause brassiness in the first place. Then it's gonna neutralize existing warm tones with precision violet technology. Lastly, it's gonna defend against future oxidation. The other things that I was thinking when it comes to treating your hair in terms of the inner strength and the dryness, we have the K18 mask and the K18 damage shield conditioner. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Let's do this. All right, Ravyn, let's go ahead and bring you back into the bowl here. So we already finished your haircut. Now we're gonna start your TripleBright treatment. So this is the purple shampoo that's gonna start toning away those brassy pigments. What you're gonna wanna do when you use this at home is allow it to sit into the hair for 1 to 3 minutes, depending on the desired intensity. Okay, so now that we massaged that in for 3 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and rinse this out. Now that we're done with your TripleBright treatment, I am just gonna lightly towel dry you, and then we're gonna go ahead and start with our K18 mask. The mask is going to retreat the inner cortex strength of your hair. You do need to use it before applying the conditioner. Let it sit for 4 minutes to fully repair before we layer on the next step, which is gonna be our damage shield conditioner. So the reason that we are now applying this conditioner is to add a little bit of extra moisture for your curls. So it's kind of thinking about repairing the inner cortex strength and then adding that extra slip over the top of it. So what do you think, Ravyn?
Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I'm really happy with it.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe what a difference that made, right?
It looks so much healthier too. That's insane. My hair feels soft and light, and the color is really beautiful. I'm so surprised it took that orange tone out.
Yeah, and this is gonna be so easy for you to maintain at home. You just wanna use the TripleBright Purple Shampoo once a week. It's gonna maintain and also make it easier for you to not have to come in as often.
That's exactly what I'm looking for.